So this is a short off-the-cuff video of plasma cutting, and I bought this Victra Cutmaster 42. It's rated to cut up to 5/8 of an inch thick, but realistically I think probably about 3/8 to half would be its limit. It can run off of single phase 110 or single phase 220, but it works a lot better off of single phase 220. And so plug that into my welder outlet here, and to a medium that does the actual cutting, it is plasma and compressed air or nitrogen. So I've got it hooked up to my compressed air system here at home. Got to have a good filter there. So right there is just compressed air. Hook it up, goes to a filter, up into the Cutmaster. There's an on-off switch right there, so we can turn it on. You'll hear it power up. First thing it does is purge the torch, make sure it's got an air supply. The torch itself has a safety switch on it because it does put out 400 volts DC to ignite the plasma, so you want to stay away from that. So just for fun, I'm going to try cutting off this old concrete form stake, about 1 inch in diameter. We'll see how that works. There's several really good things about plasma cutting opposed to oxyacetylene cutting, and one would be the greatly reduced cost of consumables. A tank of acetylene is about 45 to 50 bucks, and oxygen I think is about 25 to 30. So every change of tanks on the oxyacetylene setup is going to be about 80 bucks or so. Also, it doesn't generate nearly so much heat, and as such, you just don't have that problem to deal with. So I'm going to be using a Shade 5 helmet here. If you're doing arc welding or something like that, you'd be using like a Shade 9 or so. So at least with this shade, I'm able to see the work once I pull it down. And once I pull the trigger, you hear it power up, and then the plasma arc will start. It wasn't a complete success, but all in all it wasn't too bad. And I think if I'd done a better job of cutting, I really just didn't get to that part with the plasma. Other than that, it did a pretty good job of cutting off a 1 inch stake.